I'll show you exactly how to insert a PDF in Microsoft OneNote. Open OneNote, I'm clicking the Team Notebook on the left, then the Planning section, and then the Meeting page. That page is blank, so the PDF will be easy to see. Go up to the ribbon and click Insert. The Insert tab opens, and you'll see a row of buttons: File Printout, File Attachment, Pictures, and Link. The one you want for visible pages is File Printout. File Attachment only gives you an icon. Click File Printout. If you're on a Mac, the same button says PDF Printout, and it sits in the same Insert tab. The File dialog opens on top of OneNote. It starts in whatever folder was last used, so go to where the PDF is saved. It only shows local files, so make sure the PDF is already downloaded. I'm going to choose Client Proposal Draft 4 from the desktop, then click Open. On a Mac, the button may say Insert instead. OneNote starts converting the PDF, so a short progress message may appear at the top while it works. Give it a second if the file is long. The first page appears on the note with selection handles around it, and the rest of the pages stack underneath as separate pictures. That means the note gets very tall if the PDF has a lot of pages, and a big file can make the notebook slower to sync. That's the trade-off with printout. If you don't need the pages visible and just want the file kept with the page, use File Attachment instead. Go back to the Insert tab and click File Attachment. The same file dialog opens. Pick the same PDF and click Open. OneNote drops a small file icon onto the page with the file name underneath. The icon is selected, so you can drag it anywhere on the page. Double-click it later, and the whole PDF opens in your reader. I use Attachment for signed contracts that I don't need to mark up. I use Printout when I'm going to write on the pages. Now that the printout is on the page, click the first page and drag a corner handle to resize it so it fits the note width. The pages don't all resize together, so scroll down and check the second one. If it's wider than the note, drag its corner too. Click any printout page and drag to move it around the note. If you want to type over the pages without moving them, right-click a printed page and choose Set Picture as Background, then click on top of it and type. And if you attach the file by mistake, click the icon once and press Delete. It only removes the icon, not the original PDF on your computer. If this got your PDF into OneNote, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.